not going to tell you everything there is to know.
That's what the internet's for.
You're going to get in,
Learn something.
And put it to work.
You're going to do it.
We'll respect your intelligence.
Respect your time.
Respect that you want to learn.
what you need to do on the job.
Welcome to Eleventure. Higher learning at work.
Welcome back to the factory floor. Things may look a little different upon returning to work, but these measures are meant to keep you and your coworkers safe. Manufacturing facilities will have developed an exposure control plan that includes exposure risk determination and detailed measures that they will take to prevent exposure. Here are some changes that you may encounter. Your shift times may be staggered to reduce the number of employees entering and exiting the building all at one time. Your employer should conduct daily self-screening. This could include a questionnaire and taking your temperature before you enter the work environment. Now, you may feel uncomfortable or awkward at first about this, but try to keep in mind that this is keeping you and your coworkers safe. Don't take it personally. If you're doing it, so is everyone else.